Well, not burning very well. But I think when something flips down in there, that's a big piece of pine. Now it's really not burning well. But that'll be going for a while. So I'll just take a quick walk through the mud. It's just brutal. Way too wet here in the spring. It's been raining all week. The chickens like it, you know. They're sawmill chickens. They're getting whatever the grubs they can and worms, but it's just soggy. Here, when I picked up that oak log, you know, my tires just, well, that's filled with, the tires just sink. When you pick up that log, the tires just go right down and you're spinning, stuck. Standing water, mud. That's where I got the case stuck last year, this fall. I gotta get this 2-inch pine capped off here. Gotta put the weight back on it and the tin. This is around the curb that I always take. Leads to everywhere. Up front. And there's a pine stack. But the mud is deep. And here's the front yard mud. And it's deep too. It's really deep in here too. And there's the all the oak cutoffs. They'll all go stacked in here. Need to spend a day cutting them up tomorrow, probably. I had some over there and some over here. But I couldn't get back to over there, it's way too deep. But they'll be stacked up right here as firewood. And then there's some up there on the horses that'll get stacked in here too, that's oak. And then the campfire wood's over there, there's some pine over there, and some maple. But that's the mud yard. Oh, and there's some stickers I cut just the other day.